Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So in this video guys, today I'm actually going to be buying some Chainlink. Okay, now I have in fact been talking about Chainlink, okay, this altcoin for quite some time now. Okay, if you guys have in fact been watching my videos for the past few months now, okay, for a very long time, okay, you guys would know that Chainlink is one of those altcoins that I'm really, keeping my eye on. Okay, I'm really keeping my eye on. I'm really invested into it, and I believe in this altcoin a lot. Right, I believe in its future. Okay, I like what they are doing. I like their technology. Okay, with the blockchain and whatnot. Right, so that's why I'm invested into it. Okay, and if you guys like Chainlink, give this video a thumbs up or let me know in the comments section down below. Now, before I talk about Chainlink, guys, I want to show you guys the Bitcoin chart. So yesterday, we actually saw Bitcoin dropping down to $29,000, right? Who remembers? Right down here, okay? Bitcoin actually dropped below $30,000. And you guys can clearly see that earlier this morning, okay, Bitcoin did in fact rally back up to $30,000. Right now, it's currently at 30,300. So that's great to see for Bitcoin. And Ethereum is still holding up really well as well, still above $2,000. So that's great to see for Ethereum. Now, today, Bitcoin is in fact having a slight pump, okay? You guys can clearly see that it's up 2.7% for the past 24 hours. Ethereum is slightly up as well for the past 3 hours, 0.80%. Okay, so that's great to see for Ethereum, right? And you guys can see a fair few altcoins today are in fact having a decent pump, right? Pretty decent. You guys can see XRP 2.8%, pretty much 2.9%, Cardano 1.5%, Dogecoin 2.7%, Polygon 1.6%, Solana 1.8%, Polkadot 2.7%, Avalanche 1.7%, Shiba Inu today 1.2%, and Chainlink a whopping 5%. Now, Chainlink has in fact been pumping, guys, and you guys are probably wondering, right? I'm only making this video because Chainlink is pumping. No, guys, I've been making a fair few videos on this altcoin, Chainlink, right? Like I said at the beginning of this video, if you guys have in fact been watching my videos, then you guys would know that I've been talking about Chainlink a lot, and I have in fact been dollar cost averaging into Chainlink, right? I have in fact been accumulating for the past few months, and I'm gonna show you guys some charts on why I have in fact been dollar cost averaging and of course accumulating into Chainlink for the past few months, and it's going to be really important. Okay, so stay tuned. But you guys to see, yes, it's up 5% today for the past 24 hours, and for the past 7 days, for the past week, it's up 19.3%. So that is amazing to see for Chainlink. Chainlink has been absolutely pumping, okay, and it's going to pump even more. Right now it's currently at $8, $8.50, right? So that's great to see for Chainlink. But you guys see other altcoins today in the market overall, okay, is in fact in the greens, which is amazing to see because for the past like 2 days, we have in fact been in the reds. Now, the global crypto market cap is currently at 1.28 trillion. Great. And it's overall up 2% today. So that's great to see. Okay, it is looking like it is in fact a green day today, slightly. Everything's slightly going back up, so that's amazing to see, right? You guys can clearly see that. Okay, so that's great to see for the cryptocurrency market. Now let's talk about Chainlink, guys. Okay, let's talk about it. So I don't know if you guys know this, right, but Chainlink is a decentralized blockchain Oracle network built on Ethereum. Okay, and that's one of the main reasons, guys, I'm really bullish with Chainlink, right? I really am. And I've talked about Chainlink a lot, like I said, okay? And I don't know if you guys even know this, but Chainlink has also a supply limit of 1 billion. You guys can clearly see that, right? 1 billion. So yes, Chainlink does in fact have a supply limit, okay, of 1 billion. Just like, Bitcoin, for example, Bitcoin, we all know it has a supply limit of 21 million, okay? So yes, Bitcoin is obviously really scarce, okay? In my opinion, I think Bitcoin is the most scarce asset out there. So yes, Chainlink also has a supply limit of 1 billion. And I really do believe that this project, okay, this altcoin can 100% reach back up to its previous all-time highs. Okay, and you guys are probably wondering, what is Chainlink's previous all-time highs? Well, I'm about to show you guys. Okay, I'm about to show you guys. So you guys can clearly see that Chainlink absolutely pumped up, and I believe it was in fact in 2021 when we were in fact in a bull market. Okay, so you guys can clearly see May of 2021, Chainlink went up all the way up to over $50, up to pretty much $52, pretty much over $50. Okay, that was in fact its highs. And now you guys can clearly see Chainlink has in fact been dropping, and it's now back at $8. Okay, $8.50. And now I want to show you guys something. You guys can clearly see that, right? There's clearly a resistance and support here for the past year, almost 1 year, guys. Chainlink has in fact been pretty much consolidating. Okay, it's been, you know, touching $9 and then I'll go back down. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'll go all the way up to $9 and then I'll drop back down, consolidate a little bit. And yeah, you guys can clearly see it's never surpassed $9 yet, right? Or even $10. Okay, so this is obviously a resistance line right here and a support level. Okay, so that's why, guys, I have in fact been accumulating into Chainlink, right? Because Chainlink for almost 1 year. Okay, let me show you guys this. Almost 1 year. Okay, this is Chainlink. For almost 1 year, guys, Chainlink has in fact been consolidating, and this is the perfect time to start accumulating Chainlink, guys. To start dollar cost averaging, you know, invest in Chainlink, you know, bit by bit consistently. It could be like every week, right? It's really up to you. This would have been the perfect time to start, you know, accumulating into Chainlink, right? You guys can clearly see that Chainlink in a 1 year sideways range for pretty much exactly almost 1 year. You guys can clearly see, right? Like, this would have been the perfect time to start accumulating. Right now is the perfect time to start accumulating. Even though, yes, it's still pumping, it's still below its resistance line, guys, okay, which is $9. So if I were you guys, okay, if you guys like this project, if you guys like this altcoin, okay, if you guys believe in what they're doing, invest in it, right? Invest in it. That's all I'm going to say. This is obviously not financial advice, okay? Always do your own research, guys. And I've done my research. I like what they're doing, okay? And that's why I'm investing into it, guys. You guys understand, when I'm investing into crypto coins, I always do my research, okay? And that's always the smart thing, right? If you guys like what the altcoin is doing, okay, if you guys like the technology behind it and whatnot, then invest in it. Simple, right? So always do your own research, guys. Don't just invest into some random coin and expect it to 100x, and you know, you can easily more than double your money, right? That's not the way to go with investing into crypto, guys. It really isn't. It's high risk, right? It may be high risk, high reward, but it's really risky because it could go the other way and lose all your money, right? So always do your own research, guys. Always, okay? So yes, that's why I'm investing into Chainlink, guys, because it has affecting, you know, consolidating, and that's why I'm investing into Chainlink, okay? And these are in fact the next targets. Once Chainlink breaks $9, which is obviously the key resistance to break, okay, the resistance line, it's going to go back up, right? The next target is going to be $12 and then $19, and then eventually all go way high in that, 25, you know, 40, and then, you know, back up to its previous all-time highs, which is $50, $52. And I've told you guys as many times that I do see Chainlink reaching, you know, $100 in the next crypto bull market, which is right around the corner. Call me crazy, but like I told you guys, you know, Bitcoin's going to absolutely pump, and of course altcoins are going to pump as well. So I'm expecting Chainlink to pump over $100 at least. I really do see that happening for Chainlink, guys, and that's why I'm buying right now. It's still cheap. Chainlink, okay, it's still at $8. Okay, it's cheap. You know, it's previous. Think about it, right? Its previous all-time highs was in fact at $52. Okay, and now it's currently at $8. Think about that. Look at the chart. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how much Chainlink has dropped, guys. Like, this is literally your opportunity right now to buy Chainlink at a decent price. And you guys can clearly see that it has in fact been consolidating. Look at that, right? So this is the perfect time right now to buy Chainlink. Like, look at this chart. Look how beautiful it is to start accumulating right now, guys. Do I think Chainlink can go lower? I honestly don't, because we are in fact in a support level right now. Okay, it is at a support level and a resistance line. Okay, so I don't think it can go lower than $5, which was in fact its low. Okay, $5.50. I don't think that it can go lower than that, right? So I think right now is the perfect time to buy some Chainlink. And that being said, I'm actually going to go ahead and buy some this morning. So I'm going to go ahead and invest over $200 into Chainlink. Okay, I'm going to buy a little bit today because I've been going heavy with Chainlink. I'm not going to lie to you guys. You know, I have been investing into Chainlink a lot recently. You know what I mean? Like I said at the beginning of this video, Chainlink is really one of those altcoins that I'm really keeping my eye on. You know what I mean? I really am. So I'm going to go ahead and invest 0.59. Okay, so I'll be getting pretty much, well, I have to pay fees. I'll be getting 17 Chainlink from this investment, which is pretty cool. So it looks good to me. Bang. There we go, guys. I just bought some Chainlink, over $200 worth of Chainlink. Now, trust me, I've been going heavy. You know, I've been investing like over $500 into Chainlink like every week almost. Every week almost, right? You guys know when I'm investing into crypto, my main investments are obviously Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? I'm really a basic person. You know what I mean? When I'm investing into crypto, I really just invest with the basics. Okay, and I invest in the basics, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum, the top two biggest crypto coins, because I believe in it a lot, especially Bitcoin, right? You guys can call me a Bitcoin maximus. I really don't care. I really am, right? I believe in Bitcoin a lot, okay? But yeah, I have in fact been investing to Chainlink, okay? A lot as well, right? So there you guys have it. I just invested into Chainlink today, so that's that. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys believe in this project? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know. But on that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet already. I really would appreciate that. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Have a blessed day, guys.